Right, welcome vegans. We've got some discussion going on here. The biggest hitters on YouTube. We have a Toys and Amy and me did a video, 10 million views, and this girl is going viral. She's got 135 million views in the last 30 days. 135 million views. And let's go with another one here. This is Fluffy Jet Productions. This is from Adelaide. Actually, Adelaide is YouTube capital of Australia. So now there's some people out there saying this is all fraud and there's no such thing as people making this getting this many hits. Let's have a look-see. Let's have a look-see. I believe it is legit. Do you know anyone whose kids watch these sort of videos? Because they got 238 million views. And this channel here, Fun Toys Collector, is getting 291 million views in the last 30 days. 200 now, just a comparison, go freely. So that's 291 million in the last 30 days. Let's have a look at Freely. I want about 5 million. So if I click on Freely's video, in bed with Rorana, in bed with Madonna, Freely's on about 16 mil in the last 30 days. Let's have a look at PewDiePie. PewDiePie. So do you know anyone whose kids watch these Kinder Surprise videos? Do you think this is legit data? So look at PewDiePie. PewDiePie was once known as the biggest hit on YouTube, but it looks like he's getting relegated massively by some of these Kinder Surprise people. Let's have a look. So PewDiePie, 284 million, 135. So this girl's just started up last year, and she's halfway to PewDiePie. Is this the future YouTube? We'll have a look. So there's another one saying the Daily Mail says that DC Toys Collector was the most popular YouTube channel in 2014. It's the one you don't even know about. Let's have a look at DC Toy Collector. That DC Toy Collector is Fun Toys Collector. A Disney Collector, they changed their name around a bit. So what do you think? Is this legit? What's your call on this one? In the last 30 days, 291 million views. So are these channels legit? Is it spam? They've got adverts running, so they're getting AdSense coins. So they are making about they're making about $600,000 a month, and they're doing basic little toy stuff like that. $600,000 a month to put your finger in a bit of slime. Would you do that? Do you know anyone's children who watch these? Freely reckons this is all bogus, it's a scam because there's no comments, etc. But I feel there's comments disabled because these people don't want their kids watching the swear words, etc. So what do you think? Is this legit? Do you know anyone who's got really young kids who watch these sort of channels? Let us know down below. Thanks for watching.